Simple design with neutral color. Lightweight design with thin handle. Great for both serving and cooking. Does not scratch nonstick cookware. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Chef Craft's line of Melamine kitchen utensils are both simple and sleek. They come in either black or white and do not scratch nonstick pans. The handle shape and lightweight design makes them easy to use over long periods of time. The firm and thin nature of this turner, spatula, makes it ideal for flipping and cooking many different foods including eggs, pancakes, and more. Top reviews from the United States. Super spatula for getting your pancakes out of the pan. This spatula is slim enough at the point of contact with the pan that you can actually lift things like pancakes without damaging them. These are pretty durable. We had our last set of these for about 20 years, and they only gave way under some pretty hard use. What can I say, but don't leave them over an open flame. We're happy to find these again.